Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. I'm here today to introduce my recipes, what I use to burn up my fat. This lemon, you guys know this lemon, or you guys also know this ginger, but we are not going to use all, we are going to use a little bit from it. And this one also is my carrot. You guys know carrot as well. Then this is my leaf. This scent leaf is very nice. It neutralizes your body system. You can also use it to make vegetable soup, or you can also grind it to make your fruit. You see how it looks like. Just try yours, you will see the results. It has no effects, it has no acid. You guys know this other fruit, cucumber, very nice. And this one also garlic. I'm going to take 2 pieces of it, then blend it together with my recipe. Then this one also is my banana. And banana, I'm going to take 2 parts of it, grind it with the rest recipes. Then I'm going to place this on one side. Then this one also is my apple. This is my apple. I'm going to add this on it as well. This one also is my guava. You see, I'm using one from it. Well, this one also is my kiwi. You guys know this kiwi, you know it. At least it's not that, it's expensive, but not that much. You guys also know these fruits. So those are my recipes. We are going to blend them together. Then we'll see what comes out from it. This one also is my vegetable spinach. You guys know this spinach. You can get it in the supermarket. You can also get it in Arab shop. But this leaf is different from this spinach. It's different, you understand? This one I just bought it in Arab shop. It's not, let's say, almost €2. You can get it. It's not that expensive, not much. And this one is 75 31. You guys know this leaves. This is called spinach. I'm not going to use her. I'm going to take a little bit from it, then see how it turns up. Thank you. Feel free to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Add me on Facebook, Natasha Gold William. We also have different inches of hair. We do supply to all country, wherever country you base, we do supply. Thanks guys. Keep on watching. I'm taking a little bit from the spinach. It's not enough. Add a little bit from it. Yeah, that is my quantity for today. Then my leaf as well, my scent leaf is very good. Like some people on YouTube, they also use this stick. But me, as for me, I'm not going to apply this stick. I'm going to take them out. I don't love using the stick. You see how I bring it. Try to rinse it very well with your bowl water. Wash it very well so that you bring out the dirty. You don't need to grind it just like that. I'm mixing it with my spinach and my scent leaf. Those are my recipe. You grind it a little bit. So just blend it a little bit. Then this is my ginger. I'm going to take from it, then peel it out. Be careful with your hands. This is my garlic. I'm going to take this, then I'm trying to peel it off. This is my guava. Try to peel out the body. But some people love using it like that. Me, I don't love using it. I just have to bring out the fruit out. You can also eat it natural if you like. Slice it very well. This is my apple. Try and roast it very well. It's very important. I'm going to use this too, so I'm just trying to bring out the seed. Try and remove the seed. It's not good. You should grind the seed. Then remove the seed also. Twist it again. This one also is my carrots. This is my second carrot. What I'm going to do now is like the blender is getting full, so you just have to grind this a little bit so that it will go down, so that you have more space with the banana and the cucumber and the kiwi to grind as well. So it's already done. So this is my banana. So this one also is my cucumber. You guys knows it. Try and peel out the body. This is my finishing part. So slice it also. You can also eat it natural if you want. If you don't like blending your fruits, you choose to eat it natural, but I prefer you blending it. Then you drink in the morning After brushing your teeth, drink 1 cup from it, 1 cup from it. Then keep the other one in the fridge. Then in the evening, after eating, before you sleep, drink also 1 cup. Then in the morning, you will see how your stomach will come out. Then you also going to have nice toilet to flush out your body system, and it will also neutralize your system as well, to also boost your immune system. It's very good. No acid. It tastes good as well. This is my lemon. Wash it first, then cut it into 2. Bring out the juice out. Try to remove the seed, okay? Those are my recipe. Cover it, then grind it. So this one also is my fruit. Because why I did add it is just that the blender is getting full, so it's not smooth yet. I just have to apply it. Very nice. I love this fruit. This is my cup. If it's too thick for you, you can also mix with water. If it's too thick, but for me, it's not that thick for me. So I'm just going to take a sip of it. Guys, try it. It has no side effect. Fresh fruit, whatever fruit you like. If you know you have some fruit you are allergic with, you don't have to use it. The one you know you don't have allergic with, you can use it with your vegetable. Just try it. It also boosts your immune system. If you have any effect in your body system, it flush it out. Just try it morning and evening. The next morning you will see how your toilet is going to look like. You understand? Feel free to subscribe on Natasha Gold Hair World on Instagram, Facebook and Instagram. Also on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. I don't know what to say anymore. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep on sharing my video. Thanks, everyone. Bye bye. Have a nice day. God bless you all.